C-section babies often have a different microbiome, one associated with allergies. But a recent paper in Nature Communication found something surprising that could fix it. And it's not a pill, and it's not a supplement. It's an older sibling. Researchers followed 700 kids from a Danish cohort. Babies that were born by C-section look less like those babies that were born through vaginal delivery. Lower Bacteroides, which is often considered more healthy, and more hospital-derived bacteria, which is often considered less healthy. And this pattern we've known for a while. But here's what's new. They built a restoration score, basically measuring how much a baby's microbiome restored to a more vaginally delivered state by year 1. The babies with older siblings at home had much higher restoration scores, and the closer in age the kids were, the much higher the effect. In fact, that restoration score started to show changes to the gut microbiome within the first week of life. But why does that matter? Well, children whose gut microbiome restored by age 1 had lower incidence of asthma by age 5 and 6. And a really cool part of the study is they replicated these findings in a cohort of 300 Canadian children. The mechanism? Children seem to seed beneficial bacteria to each other, in particular Bacteroides and Bifidobacterium, while reducing the colonization of Clostridium perfringens, which is often associated with a disrupted microbiome. Now, this study is not saying that C-sections are bad. C-sections can save lives. But what the study is showing that any microbiome consequence from having a C-section can be restored. And one potential path to restoring that microbiome might be your sticky hand toddler.